What's up, guys? I am back with another product. This is called the Govee. It's like a Govee LED light strip system. This is literally all they have on their packaging. Sorry, it's upside down. That's it. It's very nice and clean. However, it doesn't give me much details about the product. Says it here on the back. I don't know if you can read that. It's just basically RGB LED strip lights. Wow, it says waterproof with remote control. Okay, it says 5 meters. On the thing on the actual order. It actually has it as and I'll put the link in the description, but it actually has the box as being colored, so that's why it's a little bit confusing that it's all white. It still says it's sold by the same person, Govee US, blah blah blah. So but anyway, here I will go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. This is a little tab on the back here. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and there seems to be stocked by a sticker. Very curious as to see how this works. I really hope I don't have to program much. Oh man, okay. Wow, this is super confusing. This looks like the infrared receiver here, and I don't know what this is here. Let's put that to the side for right now. Like it, share it. I'm sharing it. That does not mean that I like it. Okay. Stick the LED strips, reinforce the strips with clips. I'm curious if to like, Oh, okay. So it's got a backing on it. And actually, the LED strips, they feel really nice. I know that sounds like really weird, but it's got like this gel kind of protective rubber covering over it, so it's quite interesting. But anyway, then we have the cord, the AC cord here, and I'm guessing this and this go together. They do. Wow. Fascinating. Okay. And last but not least, and here's a bunch of clips. So, cool. And there's the remote. That is pretty awesome. There's an alcohol prep pad. It's kind of funny. I don't know what I would need that for, unless there's a surface that I have to clean. But man, that was probably the quickest. I thought it would be a little bit more taxing, honestly, because it was a bigger box and it was something that was like way more complicated. I'm very I don't know. I'm kind of excited to put this one together, see how it works. I'm probably going to get some more of these and figure them out, because I think I'd rather use these than the actual lights we have in the house. We keep going out because this is like such an old house. You know, I'm a little bit disappointed. And the reason I'm a little bit disappointed about they need to update the picture, but I'm a little bit disappointed that that the box didn't look the same. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, but it's like I felt like I was missing something, didn't actually get what I was supposed to. But as far as the box goes, this is like a really nice looking box. Everything is very, very plain, very simple. The LED strips just look good on the box. It's not shitty looking when you open up the box. Everything seems to be, well, for the most part, somewhat organized. I thought that was really cool. So I will give Govee a shot, and I'll let you guys know what the final review is, because as I do the unboxing, I still want to like put it up and give my like 4 or 5 stars or whatever. As anyone who's reviewing an Amazon product, I think it's a little bit nicer sometimes, depending on how like long it is, of course, to sit there and go watch a video of it to see how it works, so that you can actually see for yourself instead of just reading it. And so that's what I'm hoping to do for you guys. So anyway, you guys have fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, actually, this isn't done. So I'm going to put the lights up, but you know what I mean. So good. So after unboxing this thing, I went ahead and peeled the paper backing off the LED strip. It was actually pretty easy. It stuck pretty well, so it was actually hard to get off, but once I got it off, it was very easy to peel back and stick on the wall. I didn't have to use the alcohol pad. I honestly don't know why they just put one in there. If they're going to put one at all, they might as well put at least probably 4 or so in there. But if they're only going to put one, just don't put any at all. You know, save us the extra, I don't know, couple of cents that you, whatever. But anyway, I didn't need to use it. And so that was fine. I just stuck it on there. It actually seems to stick pretty well, and that's what I probably enjoyed the most about it. The hardest part, I would say, is the little strip connected to the plug-in piece was a little bit weird, but I mean it wasn't a big problem. The part I'll say that sucks the most, and it's really not a big deal, is the infrared stand coming out of the remote that you stick on the wall connected to the plug. It's not stiff at all. It just kind of stays up a little bit, and I'm always afraid it's gonna like fall, and if it does fall, I'm not gonna be able to reach it with my remote or anything like that. So I was kind of hoping it would be like an antenna, which would have been more beneficial. But other than that, I really haven't had any issues with it. So yeah, I think that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope the unboxing was pretty good, and I left some footage there so that you guys could actually see what was going on. And I noticed my camera work wasn't great, and I do apologize about that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next video.